Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love here, and today we're going to be talking about plucking. So as you can see, this wig is not fully plucked. It came pre-plucked, but we're going to go in and just add a little swag to it, a little finesse, and just thin out that hairline a little bit. Plucking your wig gives it a more natural and realistic look. So you're gonna need some things to start your plucking. You definitely need tweezers, you need T-pins, a mannequin to put it on, or a canvas head, a spray bottle of water, because you wanna keep the hairline drenched. So I like to go in with a comb and my spray bottle of water, and just kind of flatten out the hairline so that way you can see exactly what you're plucking. That's gonna be very important. So I'm going to start by breaking up the front of the hairline. As you can see right now, it's very straight across. I'm just taking it and just thinning it out. So one technique I recommend for beginners is to do 3 hairs in one place and move to the next spot. So I will do 1, 2, 3, pluck and move. 1, 2, 3, pluck and move. So you're going to pluck 3 hairs in the same space and then keep moving. I tend to go a little bit faster because I've been doing this a little bit longer, but take your time. If you're a beginner, you don't have to rush. As you can see, it's already breaking up the hairline. So one thing I've noticed is that a lot of girls, when they pluck, they often get holes in their lace, especially with HD. You want to make sure that you have your wig secured on the mannequin or the canvas head, and you want to make sure you take your time and make sure you have slanted tweezers, okay? But do y'all see this hairline though? Okay, she already coming into, all right? So the left side is not plucked, the right side has been plucked. You can already see the difference. So after you start in the front, you might want to part off a little section and go behind that part. So you just want to pull that hair forward so it's out of your way, and you're just going to go in and start working on the hairline behind. As you can see, the hair behind the hair that I just sectioned off is very full. So, you got to go in a little bit. Also, another technique with tweezing is that you want to make sure, or not technique, but a tip that you need to know, is that the size of your knots is going to determine how much you're plucking. If you have huge knots, you can't pluck that much because you're going to have big spaces, big holes. If you have smaller knots and finer hair, you're going to be plucking all day. So the size of your knots is definitely going to make a difference. If you're going to be bleaching the knots, I definitely recommend bleaching the knots before plucking because that makes it so much easier for the hair to come out. If you have hair that is like stubborn and it's like triple knotted and it's so hard for you to get it out of the lace, you may just want to put conditioner on the bottom of the lace. That helps the knot slide out. Alright guys, another tip is that whenever you're tweezing, make sure you have your comb nearby so you can comb out the hair that's been tweezed. That will also let you see, this is about how much I pulled out. That'll also show you how much you're taking out, and you can see the hairline. The hair is not still there. So again, I'm just taking very, very thin sections, and I'm going to just move back and forth and just keep doing the same technique. Another tip, guys, if you are tweezing blonde hair or colored hair, listen, blonde hair comes out faster or it's more delicate than black hair, so you don't have to use as much tension. Doing tweezing on blonde or colored hair, you really don't have to do as much, so you might want to take that into account, okay? Just saying. But yes, do y'all see how the hairline is coming in? Like, she is laying flat. You can see the difference in how flat the right side is compared to the left. And that's because we've tweezed it and it's going to give us a more natural lay. You don't have to pluck your wig if you don't want to, but this is just going to make it look so much more natural. Like, the right side is giving relaxer. You see it. You see it. I just love, look how that looks, guys. Do y'all see that? And look at the other side, it's still full. It's nothing wrong with not plucking your wigs if you don't want to, but this is just a service that is just gonna give you that ultimate natural look and just make your hair look even more flawless. So before I continue, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into my video. Make sure you double tap that love button, show me some love, drop some comments, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so we are pretty much done with the plucking. This is how she came out. I would then separate my baby hair, you know, flat iron it and everything, and get ready for my install. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all really learned something about plucking. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos and updates. You know, just keep it, keep it vibing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out my Instagram, my TikTok. All the links will be below. Till next time, peace and love.